Today we're checking out the Mini 2 by DJI. This is the second version of this mini drone, and I love this so much because it is only 249 grams, which makes it one of the smallest and lightest drones that DJI has in their current lineup. Here's two different versions that you can get. You can get just the drone, and then the Fly More combo, which comes with a controller, extra batteries, and a case. This is one of my favorite drones by DJI, even though this is geared towards more of the beginner drone flyers. Even though I would consider myself a little more advanced, I love this because it's so small, so compact. The biggest difference between the Mini and the Mini 2 is this one will now shoot in 4K. I will be doing a flight demo later in this video, but first, we have to unbox it. I'm gonna be unboxing the Fly More combo, and this one is for my sister Jenna. You can check out her channel, I'll put a link in the description. She also makes fun tech videos and really fun vlogs as well. So Jenna, this one's for you. We are heading out on an adventure this weekend because when there's a new drone, you gotta go somewhere outside of your house, because when I covered the Mavic Air 2, it was still in the middle of the pandemic. I thought I would do a drone test in my house, and I flew it into my curtains, and I gotta turn obstacle avoidance off so we can fly free. We're not gonna do that anymore. A lot of these drones do have prop guards, so if you do want to fly them in the house, I recommend putting those on because they are there for a reason. If I would have had those prop guards on, my curtains would not have a huge hole in them. Oh, hello. Oh, so this one comes in like a little carrying case. This unboxing has turned into an unbagging. I like this. They have everything all like nicely packed for me. I could have just took this already and gone on my trip. Look at these little propellers. They've got them in little individually wrapped little baggies. This looks like something that you would eat, like some candy, like a snack, but they're not. Controller. I think this is heavier than the drone. This is definitely heavier than the drone. Whoa, this has a cool little seat belt. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propeller. This is actually a really great idea. So this is to hold the propellers in place. And because this is so small, I used to just throw this into like my backpack or something, and then the propellers would just kind of be like free flowing. But this is really a great idea. I'm glad that they did this. Battery compartment, USB to charge, SD card slot, super small, super compact. Like, look at this, it's so little. Let's see what else we have in here. So here's everything that comes in the Fly More kit. You have your drone, the drone propeller holder, you have this multi-battery charger, which is so much easier to take out than the last version. USB-C cable, charger, the new controller. This was first released in the Mavic Air 2 that came out a few months ago. At first I thought this controller was a little bit too big, but now that I've been using it and flying with the Air 2 a lot, I actually really like it. I like that this has joystick compartments already, so you can put those there when you're not using it. But when you are, you can take them out. You're ready to go. Before I head out to fly, I wanna show you guys the comparison between the first Mavic Mini and the new Mavic Air 2 that just recently came out. You guys have got them right here. Mavic Air 2 and Mavic Mini 1. Where did you go? Mavic Mini 1 controller, Mavic Mini 2 controller. Obviously much larger in size. You're gonna get a much longer battery life with this larger one. I also like being able to have the phone connected above the controller, whereas before, this folded out and it was below. This is a very similar controller style to a lot of the drones that DJI has. So here's the previous battery charger. I like they are able to get the batteries out easier, because before, honestly, I can't do it. Watch this. Easy. Thank you. So they do look very similar. This one seems like it is a little bit thinner, and then it does have different color propellers. The new one has USB-C instead of micro USB. That is good news. Next up, Mavic Air 2. This I would say is one of my favorite drones so far because it still is small, it's pretty compact, shoots 4K, has very long battery life, but this little guy is even smaller, does have increased battery life, and now that this shoots 4K, that's pretty much a game changer. This was the drone that first introduced this new controller style, so it is actually, it's the same controller, which is great news because I really like the new controller. But look at the battery size comparison. The Mini 2 will get you about 31 minutes of flight time, which is kind of mind-blowing to think of where DJI started and where we are today. And now we're like, oh, 31 minutes, how will I ever survive?
They don't know we're going to Big Bear yet.
They don't know?
No.
We're going to Big Bear. Bye. See you there. I didn't tell them where we were going.
I don't think so.
Other than being able to shoot in 4K, the biggest upgrade to this is the fact that they're now using OcuSync 2.0. In the previous Mavic Mini, it used Wi-Fi, so you could only fly up to 4 kilometers. But with this, you can fly up to 10, you can fly faster, further, higher, and the battery life has been improved by 1 minute. And you know what? 1 minute is 1 minute of flight time that you didn't have previously. You're able to change the LED light on the front, so obviously I changed it to pink. I'm just excited to be able to shoot in 4K and that they were able to squeeze that all into still a weight of 249 grams. It's so light. It's so light. Let's fly. So right now I'm gonna test out the zoom. So there's a little button that says 1x. So when I click 1x, this allows me to zoom in. That now takes you into 2x. Now I'm gonna fly with the zoom on and see what that looks like. One of my favorite things about DJI is obviously the software, and I love being able to take the quick shots. You basically push a button and it flies for you and will get you a really cool shot that you can instantly post to social media, or just look at it on your phone and enjoy it for your own personal benefit. The 4 quick shots that you can do on here is the droney, the helix, the rocket, and the circle. So here's what all 4 of those look like. Look at this little microphone. I'm shooting this on the Pocket too. Oh, it's so cool.
We're both lost at a day. Pretty much similar. I don't wanna hear your thoughts. You don't wanna feel my skin. You just wanna dream of sin. Sickness floating in our veins.
So I love the Mavic Mini 2, and I'm really excited for people to actually get a chance to try this out. This is a drone that is kind of geared towards beginners because it does use the DJI Fly app, which is a more simplified version of the app that is used in their higher end drones. But it's so great because this is 4K. Even if you aren't a beginner drone flyer, this is so amazing because of the size. You could just throw it in your bag and basically always have it with you. And now that it shoots 4K, the video quality is so much better compared to the previous version that I cannot wait to take this with me places that I normally wouldn't be able to take a drone because of the size. I do wish that the controller was a little bit smaller, but now that it is the OcuSync 2.0, you're gonna have an improved video transmission. You're gonna be able to fly further, faster, longer. So I think that this is a very significant upgrade. One of the things that I said in my original Mavic Mini review is that I wish that this was 4K, and now our wishes have been granted. So I look forward to you guys checking this out. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out more information. And again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I love this little microphone. Oh.